Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Vivo Y35 and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I'm going to show how you can set up the fingerprint recognition feature, which will, as you could already guess, allow you to unlock the screen of your device with your own fingerprint. So in order to set this feature up, you gotta launch settings, then in here enter the security category, onwards go for the dedicated fingerprint section over here. Choose what backup screen lock method you would like to use with the fingerprint itself. You can go with pattern, pin or password. I'll go with pattern. Then draw what pattern you would like to use. After that, redraw it to confirm. Next, choose what notification content will be shown at the lock screen. And you can basically start the enrollment process. So agree on the terms. I've accidentally quitted the page, but whatever. So state that you have read all the privacy agreement statements, conditions, whatever, and you can start enrolling the fingerprint. The scanner is located at the side power button. So in order to register your fingerprint, just lay it, gradually lay it, and lift it onto the onto and from the fingerprint sensor located on the side power button. So make sure to slightly rotate the finger so the entire surface of it will be correctly and successfully scanned, all the edges, all the corners. So we have just successfully added the fingerprint. Now we can start using it as to unlock the display. So great success. If I'll try to use another finger, it will not let me through. The next feature or setting for this video is located at the display and brightness category, so let me quickly enter it. It is called the screen refresh rate. Two valuable values to choose from, 60 and 90 Hz. Long story short, higher value will get you smoother animations and overall silkier visual experience, while 60 Hz value will conserve the battery. So if you would like for your phone to run longer on a single battery charge and for the power to be preserved, go for the lower value. If the battery life or power life is not your concern, go for the 90 Hz. Or you can also set it to be to smart switch option or mode, should I rather say, which will automatically switch between those two values in accordance with your current needs, in accordance with your device usage pattern and whatever. I'll manually set it to be 90 Hz. And moving on, so the third option feature, I don't know, call it however you want, that we wanted to share with you guys, is the whole category of settings that is unique to this particular phone, that is called, or to Vivo in general, should I rather say, to their smartphones. It is called the dynamic effect, and in here you have plenty of animations, options, and visual stuff that you can change and personalize. So for example, you can change the or should I rather say, choose whether you would like to for the dynamic effects to be enhanced. Then you can change the configurations for the ambient light effect. Then choose the particular animations that you would like to use for the home screen entering procedure. So you can set it to be fly out by layer, fly out, fly in, or fly in by layer. Or even set it to be none. You can also change the facial recognition animation that's going to greet you, that is going to be in use, should I rather say, the charging animation, USB insertion animation, and screen on or off animation as well. Alrighty, so the fourth feature for this video, it's a very small one. It is located at the battery category. And before I show you what it is, as you can see currently at the status bar, in the normal state of status bar, I'm not able to precisely tell how much of a battery I have left. I can kind of eyeball it from the battery icon itself, from the extent to which it is visually filled, should I say. So if I would like to get the exact battery percentage of the power I have left, I gotta swipe downwards and launch the control center or notification center. So if I would like for the battery percentage to be visible at the status bar at all times, I just gotta enter the battery category of settings and switch on the small toggle. And now it will be visible for me basically permanently. Alrighty, so fifth and final feature is located at its own category of settings, that is the RAM and storage space. Then you gotta go for the RAM section over here. It is called the memory extension, and it allows you to add up to additional 8 GB to the random access memory you have by the means of occupying the internal storage or the respective amount of internal storage that you have. Very simple thing to activate, just switch on this toggle and restart the device. And once the device reboots, you'll be able to check and see that the changes you have made have taken effect. So let's wait until our device gets restarted and we'll check. So the device has been successfully rebooted. Let me enter it to begin with. Now I'll go to the settings. Here they are. After that, go for the RAM and storage space category. And as you can see right over here, we are clearly able to look up the fact that in addition to the default 8 GB of RAM, we have successfully added another 8 GB, so 16 in total. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.